Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with Pinterest. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics and promotional tools. Next, define your target audience. Understand who you want to reach and what problems your side hustle solves. Create visually appealing pins that showcase your products or services. Use high-quality images and compelling graphics to attract attention. Incorporate keywords into your pin descriptions. This will help your content appear in relevant searches. Join group boards related to your niche. This can increase your visibility and drive more traffic to your profile. Schedule your pins for optimal times. Utilize tools like Tailwind to automate and optimize your pinning schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Building relationships can lead to increased trust and sales. Analyze your Pinterest analytics regularly. Identify what types of content perform best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consider creating a landing page for your side hustle. Link your pins directly to this page to encourage conversions. Use rich pins to provide more context about your products. This can enhance user experience and increase clicks. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. This can expand your reach and introduce your hustle to new audiences. Finally, be consistent with your pinning strategy. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and informed. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your side hustle using Pinterest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.